Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir yogurt. Kefir is a fantastic fermented milk drink, often compared to a thin yogurt, packed with beneficial probiotics. It's made using tiny, cauliflower-like kefir grains, which are a living culture of bacteria and yeast. These grains work their magic by fermenting milk, transforming it into a tangy, slightly effervescent beverage. The entire process usually takes about 24 hours, making it a simple and rewarding kitchen project. To begin your kefir journey, you'll need a few essential supplies. First, acquire 1 tablespoon of active kefir grains. These are the heart of your fermentation. Next, grab a clean glass jar, ideally a 1-quart size, to house your brewing. You'll also need about 3 to 4 cups of fresh dairy milk. Whole milk often yields the best results. Finally, ensure you have a non-metal strainer and spoon, as metal can sometimes react with the grains. Now for the exciting part, fermentation. Gently place your 1 tablespoon of kefir grains into your clean 1-quart glass jar. Pour in your 3 to 4 cups of fresh milk, ensuring the grains are submerged. Cover the jar loosely with a breathable cloth or a lid that isn't airtight, allowing air exchange. Let this mixture sit at room temperature for approximately 18 to 24 hours. You'll know it's ready when the milk has thickened and shows a slight separation. Once your kefir is perfectly fermented, it's time to harvest. Using your non-metal strainer, pour the contents of the jar into a clean container, separating the finished kefir drink from the grains. You can gently rinse the grains if you wish, then immediately place them into fresh milk to start a new batch. Store your delicious, homemade kefir in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and ready to enjoy for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.